What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe and hit that bell notification because we do plenty of videos, car stuff, tech stuff, anything to do automotive. If you're interested, subscribe and like the video because that helps me out more than you will ever imagine. If you missed it, last video we actually installed wireless charging in my 2011 BMW that doesn't even have a navigation system in there, but now I have wireless charging, so that's cool. If you missed it, click the link up above and watch it, but after this video, okay? Today we're finally gonna be doing a mod that I've been wanting to do for the absolute longest time. We're actually gonna be well, in this box that I got from Mashimaro. Yes, that is the video that I've been talking about for the longest time. I'm working with Mashimaro, and you guys can use my code 19 spelled out like right here. Basically anything you need, aesthetic, and now he's also doing a lot of performance stuff. So now there's even Burger Motorsports that he's working with. So there's tunes and everything like performance as well. Literally anything to modify your BMW. So let's get into exactly what I have here. These, well, you know what? Let me let me open it first. Corona. Oh, I see what he did. Okay. Okay. Jesus. Woo. So these are the extended studs that I've been honestly wanting for my car for the longest time. I opted for the, well, these are 68 millimeters. I also chose the black conical lug nuts. You can't see them very well. And this obviously comes with the key that I'm gonna need to screw these things on, and they also sent me some stickers, so cool. So all we're gonna need to really do this, and it's super easy, all we're gonna need is basically the kit that we got from Mashimaro. Great price, by the way. Besides that, we're gonna need a breaker bar, a torque wrench. Oh, besides that, actually, in here I have a digital torque adapter, and I'm actually going to be using this because we have to bolt these things down to, I believe, 25 foot-pounds. But anyways, we're going to do that. We're also going to need some medium strength thread locker, as well as an impact gun and the size of your bolt. I think mine is a 17, so I have my special, where is it now? I have my special 17 here with the plastic on top here so I don't scratch up the wheel. This is a must buy. I'm gonna link that down, as well as everything else I'm gonna be using in the description box below, so you guys could easily find everything that you'll need for this job. Now let's stop talking and let's get to installing. Alright, so now with all these original lug nuts off the car, we're looking at this rotor. Please ignore all the paint chipping. I painted it, thought it would stay, but there's too much rotational mass on this that I assume it just peel itself off. But yeah, the brakes themselves are really looking good. They're just dirty, but they're keeping up. Alright, so for starters, we're gonna take our medium strength English selection. Choose English. Good, English. Okay, I can't speak today. So these are the extended studs that came from Mashimaro, 5 per corner, obviously. Not the side that's flat. This is what's actually gonna protrude outside the wheel. The side with the threads, that's what's actually gonna go inside the hub here on the rotor or whatever. And we're gonna apply just a dab, just a dot of medium strength thread locker onto the tips right here. That's actually gonna go in there, and then we're gonna get the digital torque adapter that I was speaking of earlier, and then we're gonna torque these things down to 25 foot-pounds of torque with a I don't know, I want to say a hex size 8mm. I don't know. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll put it on the screen right here. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Alright, so this is my my little contraption here. So I have my just a regular torque wrench. This is my digital torque adapter, and I got some adaptations to adapt to the 5mm hex bolt at the tip here, very very small. So we're gonna turn this on, set in foot-pounds. Okay, so this is already set to 25, and if this rotor turns as you're doing this, what you could do is take a flathead and you could just shove it inside the rotor right here so that it doesn't move. So when it makes a solid beeping like that, that means we're done. Alright, so now we're gonna do this to the rest of these studs, then do the back, and I'll show you guys how it looks just kind of set up on the car, okay? Wow, that's so cool! One thing I didn't know is that the actual, what's it called, the key is 19mm as opposed to the 17mm for the original lugs that go on the car. You can't hear me, I'm sorry, it's windy and there's cars passing by today. But anyways, I've never done this before. This is so cool. Just thread them on. Ha! That's cool. The threads are so buttery. Let's put you guys in a little time lapse, okay? Alright, so there you have it, guys. I installed the extended lug nuts from Mashimaro on all four corners, and honestly, it came out so clean. The bolts, the studs are crisp. They thread on like butter. And one thing that I guess it could go unnoticed, but I actually really appreciate it, is that this thing, it's long, as opposed to the original ones that came from the car. Where is it? I gotta find it. This key that comes from the car, it's super small, and if it gets stuck, what are you laughing at? And this thing, if it gets stuck inside the wheel, then it's kind of hard to get it. You have to get it with, I usually have been using this magnet over here, and I've been kind of just trying to fiddle it out. With this extended one from Mashimaro, it's the nicest thing that you don't even need like half of these tools. Again, I lost my language today. I can't speak, I'm sorry. Anyways, this along with everything else that I use in this video is going to be down in the description box below. Go get yourself a set. Putting these things back on was so easy. For the longest time I've had, ever since I had BMWs, I've been putting them on with the BMW lugs. These things, it's literally a game changer. It feels so nice. You could easily just put them on and not have to worry about anything, and not have to like juggle a freaking tire in the air. Like, it's crazy. This just boop, pops on and you're done. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Mashimaro for partnering with me on this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to save 5% on your order on anything you need for BMW, link's going to be down in the description box below, and you can use my code 19 spelled out like this. 5% on anything like a tune for performance, aesthetic mods, interior, exterior. This guy has absolutely everything you're going to want on your BMW. no joke. And the shipping, immediate. And one more thing, if you guys know the specs for the spacers that I'm gonna be needing for my tires in the summer, so again, it's a 19 by 8 in the front, 9 in the rear. If you guys know the specs, I don't know the offset, but if you guys know the specs, shoot them down in the description box below. These extended studs were 68 millimeters. I didn't go with the 74 because those were just gonna be too long and they were gonna stick out, and I really didn't want to see that. So these came out perfect. I have no complaints. They're good. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Mashimar for partnering with me on this video. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I hope that we can do more together. Maybe like one of your fancy start buttons, you can send it over. I don't know, I'm just saying. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for next video and subscribe, because next video is going to be very interesting. It's going to be another company that's working with me, my first actual full sponsor. So guys, stick around, stay tuned, because it's about to get interesting. It really is. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna drive what drives you up. Be catching you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me.